Hey guys, fourth video for tonight. We're doing my, the knex things that our teacher showed us today in school. Done time in school. This is a circle that I made, like a cool circle that you're able to go around your hand. It looks very cool. Looks like a Ferris wheel. And boom. This is my dragon triceratops. The bug I made. Like a bug, like a beetle. I copied them down. They're not. I didn't make them up. A fish. Wait, other way. Yes, a fish. No. Oh, I thought I broke it. Silly Billy. I mean, not silly W. My woodpecker. And another bug. So that's it for tonight, guys. Love you all to death and keep it cool.